My name is Chaitanya Lakkimsetti. I'm an assistant professor of sociology and women's and gender studies. My teaching at the undergraduate and graduate level and my research focuses on gender law, sexuality, and social movements. I recently wrote a book, my book, Legalizing Sex, Sexual Minorities, AIDS, and Citizenship in India. It looks at sex workers and LGBTQ plus social movements, and especially how they mobilize through HIV/AIDS platform and global human rights to fight against criminal laws. I'm a qualitative sociologist, and I study, I interact with people in the field. I do qualitative ethnography and interviews. So I spend a lot of time observing protests, meetings, consultations, and talk to activists one-on-one about their views and how they mobilize and what are some of the issues that are facing the community, etc. Our seminar is focused on the Me Too movement, which is very significant not only for feminist sociologists or feminist scholars, but also for all of us to understand our contemporary world. And since this is not just a US-based movement, it is also a global movement. We are really focused on understanding how the impact of the Me Too movement on gender justice projects around the world, but not trying to center US, but to think about how these movements evolve in different parts of the world.